Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to the 9 Miles review of the DuaFire Travel Adapter Universal Power Adapter Plug International Wall Charger with dual USB ports and AC socket for USA, EU, UK, AU, CN for China, and it's in the color blue. This thing gets 28 customer reviews, 4.5 out of 5 stars with 26 answered questions. This thing retails for $49.99. According to the manufacturer, it's $21.99, so this is definitely a really cool gadget if you travel on a frequent basis. This might be something you'd be interested in. It's an worldwide travel necessity for you. Works in more than 150 countries. Safety certified, passing ROHS, CE, and FCC certification. Built-in overload fuse, which is really cool. Automatically power off when the current is greater than 6 amps. Safety guarantee. Versatility plug options. Exquisite design. 113 gram lightweight design. Says it makes a perfect gift. So I do travel occasionally, and this may be something that I'd actually use on a regular basis because some of the cheaper wall outlets I don't necessarily trust to plug in my really expensive gadgets. I've had things die on me before by plugging them in international power outlets. So this, having a quality or investing in a quality outlet like the DuaFire is something that I think would be beneficial to a lot of people. So let's see. It says Australia, USA, UK, EU. I'm going to open up, see what's inside. And DuaFire sent this over to me, so I really appreciate it. This is something that I'd actually use on a regular basis. So I do appreciate that DuaFire sent this over to me. So this is what's in the package. And actually, it says it's lightweight, but it's got a little heft to it compared to other adapters that I've used. And let's just put that in there. Has a little instruction booklet that comes with this. Multinational travel adapter with USB charger. So let's see. USA. There's USA. Let's say we go to the UK. And we're set in the UK. So you kind of press it down and it's kind of spring loaded, which is pretty cool. It locks in the middle. And let's see what else we have here. So Europe. Just pop it open like so. Alright, so I'm in the USA, so I'm just going to try out the USA adapter. So here we go. We're going to pop it out like so. Here, locks into place. Plug it in my outlet here. And the LED light glows blue. Alright, so now I'm going to plug in this lamp that I have right here. And you'll see when the light comes on, it'll be in the photo or in the video. Okay, so there we go. I plugged it in and the lamp immediately came on, as you can see. And there we go. So if this was an issue, there's fuses right here, safety fuses, and as mentioned in the directions, this thing stops at 6 amps. Alright, so at the same time this light is on, I'm going to plug this little USB device here. It's the Daegu weather station. I reviewed this in another video. So let me just plug this in the USB outlet. And there we go. As you can see, the lamp is on and this little weather station is on as well. So very cool, works great, at least in the USA it does. And no problems. This thing looks good, it's well designed. I like how it lights up when you get power to this outlet. I like how it has USB ports. You can plug it in. And as you can see, you have this Amazon Echo plug, which is, it's not small by any means, it's definitely not large, but it's not small by any means. And then you have the plug plugged in the same outlet at the same time. So really impressed with this. This is definitely something I'll take on my next vacation. It's the, let me just get the Amazon listing. It's the DuaFire Travel Adapter Universal Adapter Plug International Wall Charger with dual USB ports and AC socket for USA, EU, UK, AU, CN, and it's in the color blue. On sale for $21.99. So I do recommend this product. I think it's worked great in this test, and yeah, I do recommend it. So thanks for watching my videos.